Hello everybody, my name is Otto Pukk. I am the CEO and President of Incap Corporation. We are an electronic manufacturer that operates in several countries, including India. I'm very happy to congratulate India for its 75 years of independence and take part of the celebrations devoted to this occasion. We are truly happy for being able to do business successfully in India and have a team of local specialists that contribute to the fast-growing industry of electronics. Incap has currently 2 factories in Tumkur with around 2,000 people working in them. This is almost 80% of our entire Incap family. Local traditions and culture have always been very important for Incap. This year, we are happy to celebrate independence festivities with India and opening our 3rd factory in Tumkur. We are truly thankful for the Indian state as well as the local government and community for the good cooperation. As a Finnish company, we are happy to work together with the Embassy of India in Finland to share our experience and encourage more companies to bring business to India. We are proud to be supporters of the India Day in Helsinki this year and wish you all amazing experiences celebrating independence and democracy of India. Happy Independence, India!